Almost every app is built from thousands of small pieces of free, shared code. Your computer downloads and runs them automatically. This week, someone booby-trapped one of those pieces. The trap is a worm, code that copies itself from victim to victim on its own. Within hours, it reached more than 400 code packages, installed over 2 billion times a month. The attackers took over one programmer's account. That person maintained a family of small packages, so one break-in poisoned 8 at once. Because the poisoned versions came from the real owner's account, they looked completely legitimate. Each poisoned package hides one extra line. It tells your computer to run the package's own code automatically at the moment you download it, before you use anything. That code searches 200 places developers hide their keys. Those keys unlock a company's cloud, its payments, its chat. The code steals them. Among the keys the worm steals are the ones that let the victim publish code. It uses those to poison more packages. It lists every package that key can publish, slips in the same trap, bumps the version, and republishes. Everyone who installs those becomes the next carrier. With another key, the worm plants a copy of itself in your project's settings, so it runs again the moment you open that project in your editor. Each victim's keys fuel the next round. The worm posts the stolen keys to public pages anyone can read, each stamped Shai-Hulud, here we go again. That tag is how it was found and named. So the everyday act of adding a piece of code became a machine that steals your keys and spreads itself. The cleanup is still underway.